we go, Kimmy. We might get stuck here, boy. Nope. The goat keeps her crawling. Oh. Oh yeah. Okay, we are back at WindRock, Oliver Springs, Tennessee. We got camp set up. Kim and I are going to be staying through the weekend. We got some friends coming from Alabama and some other friends from Maryland. So, say hey, Kim.
Hi.
There goes your sales calls again. But we got the side-by-side out. We couldn't let our 270 awning out because of this tree. The campsite we got is pretty small, but in return we did bring the gazelle, and we have this deck out here. Sorry about the sunlight. We're gonna start cooking in a little while. It's about 6:45 p.m.
Cowboy chili.
Yep, gonna do some cowboy chili, right, babe?
Yep. It's delicious.
So we're not riding today, but we'll ride tomorrow, starting in the morning, sometime tomorrow. If I can get this.
JJ's cutting wood.
Oh, look at that! That's great for the camera, isn't it? Hoorah!
JJ almost like hurt me with the shrapnel of the firewood splitting. It got kind of scary.
My beautiful girlfriend is getting prepped for dinner. So she forgot to bring the tomato sauce and everything for the chili. So we're gonna have some chili-like stuff tonight.
Let me clarify. Jamie forgot, and I asked him at least 5 times. James, do you have the stuff for the chili? Yeah, I got it, hon. I got it.
I have it. I just forgot to bring it. So she's cutting some onions. We're gonna make some tomato sauce. We got 3 little tomatoes right there.
Yeah,
We got some hamburger meat. We got chili
We'll
beans.
make it work.
And we got hot chili powders.
We'll make it work.
It's all good. It's camping.
And I got Emily's sharp knife.
Oh, she's gonna get on you.
I know.
Emily's gonna get on the Kim about the sharp knife.
And Tina and Russell came by.
Yep, they're very nice people. Haven't got to talk to them a whole lot until this trip. We talked a while. We might go see them again tonight. We're gonna do a little trail ride across to the general store tonight. But we didn't pay for our riding tickets until tomorrow, so we'll start our big rides tomorrow with John, Leslie, Russell, and Tina are their names. Looks good, babe. It's gonna be fine.
It'll be fine.
It will be fun. Now, they are calling for a little bit of rain tomorrow, so we're kind of hoping that that doesn't happen. If it is rain, just some light rain, maybe on and off. But today's been absolutely gorgeous. Weather's been pretty good, so. But we're gonna start our rides tomorrow. We did pay for 2 days of riding, Saturday and Sunday. But we won't be able to ride all day Sunday because Kim has to work. Well, we both have to work. I gotta work on Monday, and so does Kim. So we're only gonna go to about 2 maybe on Sunday and then head back. It's a 3-hour drive back, so we have to get heading back to our puppies too.
Oh, the puppies.
The puppies. There goes our tomato sauce. It's all good.
That'll be fine.
It'll be fine. It's gonna be great. You think that's enough onions?
Do you want more?
No, that's good, because we're gonna put these green onions in, right?
Well, that's like a chopper.
Oh,
You put
and
that
then
on
we got-
top. So do you think I need more onion?
No, that's good.
Well, we don't have sauce, so we need more. We need liquid. That's what I'm thinking. Are you taking me right now?
Babe, tapes went out in the 60s.
Oh, I'm sorry. I know. I still say tape.
But I am filming you.
Are you recording me?
I am. Tell all our age. Are you taping? Are you filming me? That's funny.
Are you blogging me right now?
No, it's not blogging. It's vlogging with a V, video. So, anyway, we're going to have a good time, aren't we, babe?
Yes.
We always have a good time together.
Of course we do.
Yep. All right. Talk to you soon. Well, good morning, folks. We had a good night last night. Didn't rain. It's overcast today. We are expecting some rain today, but so far we didn't get any rain. Kim's still asleep. I'm brewing some coffee. Show you. I'm brewing some coffee. We'll cook some breakfast in a little while. We got all our kitchen stuff set up over here. So I don't know what time our friends are going to be here to hit the trail, but we'll get up with them, John and Leslie, Russell and Tina, and we'll get up with them later today. Should be a great day.
Never really know what's going on. Look at me sometimes like all you want to do is run. Hear me out, hear me out. It's all the things you never show. There are the things I want to know.
All right, we made it to Petro's Diner. They say they got real good burgers and fries. Parked off the side of the street here. Got all the buggies here. Okay, this store here, the second shift does not come in, but they were still nice enough to cook for us, so we all gonna get fed, right? So this is John, and then that's Russell, Tina, everybody knows Kimmy, and then Leslie. So we're having a good time, even though it's raining. Hoping tomorrow's going to be a drier day to ride, so we'll see. Getting a little muddy on the track already. We're still on just the cut through trail. It's a pretty long little trail. Got a little muddy. We were on it last night. It was a little bit muddy, but it's getting worse. Okay, this is the start of 1222. They just supposedly graded this, so we're going to see. This will tell the tale how the rest of the trail is going to be today. This is 1222. We'll record some of it. And this is just the start of 22, so we'll hit the camera back on when we get into some good stuff.
Oh, Jesus. Oh, my God, Jamie.
Right.
Oh, my God.
Maybe some traction.
Christ.
We were sliding there, folks. All right. That's what it's all about. Feel it back in getting loose.
Yeah.
We got a little bit of a slick hill here, it looks like. Here we go. Not so bad on a dry day, but on a wet day, let's see what it's about. Is he getting stuck there? Hold on. action there. Nothing but a thing. That's what I come here for. Hold on, I gotta pee. Alright, might get a little frisky right through here. I think this is the boulder field here. I don't know how good y'all can see out that windshield with all the rain. I don't have windshield wipers. Ugh. It's definitely still raining. I think we're going to be in for a treat of rain today. But it kind of makes it fun. See how bad these lumps get. We're down here on the creek bed right now. Still on 22. We're on 22 at WindRock. And down the ravine. Little water crossing again right here. These are always fun to do. And up the boulder rocks again. I got the shocks dialed in pretty good on this thing. It's a pretty smooth ride, considering. But I've stayed in four-wheel drive since that last slick spot, so we don't want to slide off into a ravine, which you could very well do here. So, oh yeah, here's the riverbed. Oh, that's a drop off. Oh yeah. Oh boy. Yeah. We are damn well in the creek. '22's looking good, boy. Oh boy.
Oh my goodness.
Here we go, Kimmy. We might get stuck here, boy. Nope. The goat keeps it crawling. Oh,
Oh my God.
oh yeah. The goat just crawls. Ain't nothing to it. Oh, this is great. I'll have to pee when we get up here. Oh yeah. I just talked about my shocks being dialed in right. Wow. I need more ground clearance for sure. I'm gonna get me a 3-inch lift on this thing and some high clearance A-arms. I'm gonna end up bending A-arms soon anyway. If I don't. But that was fun. That was the boulder field.
That was fun.
That was fun. Got some caves over here. This is off Trail 83 at WindRock. Massive rock wall with some caves in it. And we thought it quit raining, but it started back. How you doing, Kimmy?
You're doing great, JJ.
You enjoying the wet day?
Fun. Leslie is keeping me safe. She's the voice of reason.
Yeah. Man, this is beautiful out here. It really is. If you've never been to WindRock, you got to come out here and see it. They rent side-by-sides here too. I think they're like $300 a day, but it's well worth it. Well worth it. It's like a rainforest here. Go in there, KJ.
They just said not to. There's wild animals in there.
There ain't no animals in there.
John said there was. It's scary.
Couple Indians in there.
It's dark.
Don't wake the bear.
Goes back down in there to the right short trail.
This is called the staircase here.
Yep.
And people go up and down this. Let me turn the camera around.
Not very many people come up it. See, back in the day, we just come up and then to this one right here,
Yeah.
come across there and come up through there.
Oh, right up through there. Yeah, I can see where the...
But this part right here has a habit of flipping you back over.
Oh, yeah, I can see that. I could see that. It's a long ways down, and they go... Nobody goes up it no more, right?
Not very many. The bouncers do.
Oh, yeah, those bouncer
I
trucks
haven't seen a
could.
razor try it in a long time, many years.
Yeah, that would be almost impossible. Okay, we're in day 2. We're gonna head over to Rocky Top, Tennessee, eat lunch at this Mexican restaurant, which my stomach don't feel like Mexican restaurant, but that's where we're going today. So, the trails are a little wet from yesterday, but look at the sunshine today. So, this will be our last day out here. We gotta leave hopefully around no later than 2, 3 o'clock. But this will be our last day out for this trip, and we'll be back in 2 weeks. Anyway, this is not a challenging trail, so I'll stop recording now and then get y'all back when we get on something cool. Okay, figured we'd stop here at this overlook here. Get a look at this overlook here. Oh, Kim, I can move you in a minute. This is where this power line comes down. Okay, nice look over. We're pretty high up on the hill here. Looking good. I'm trying to talk John into doing me a trade on his Polaris razor. Told him he'd look good in that General. Say hey to the cameras.
Hey, to the camera!
Where's Kim? Let's get her on film peeing. All right, Kimmy Jack's inside the high dollar razor.
Oh, babe, I think we need one.
She wants one of these so we can ride the puppies. She don't want to lead the puppies no more. I do like it, Kimmy.
Factory Bluetooth to your phone.
Nice.
All right, Kim, you pay the payment, I'll go get it. The Mexican restaurant.
No, never too much. We didn't have enough. We still had fun. We had fun.
That's a lot of fun, isn't it?
Yeah, we had good
It's a great time. And the mountain does go up higher. Very nice.
and everything.
Back
It's like,
here.
even though it's like, telephone pole? Yeah. So pretty.
It's Russell and his razor. He's got the 2-seater. John and them got the 4-seater, and I got the golf cart. All right, we're on the lookout here. Hey, Kimmy.
Hey! Pretty. Look at all the wildflowers.
Oh yeah,
So pretty.
it is pretty, isn't it?
We haven't been here in the spring.
Right down there's the store. I don't know if y'all can see it.
Get the windmills like too.
Oh yeah, then the windmills are right here.
At 29 and I find myself wondering what did happen to the last 10. I ran away with my life, fast forward, never turn back again. It's kind of funny that the more we pass time, the more we need to set them